Hi, buddy! It's Mia, and today I'm making gingerbread, sort of like a gingerbread cake. First, we're going to make a glaze for the top. We need some water, some lemon juice, and some confectioner's sugar. 13 grams of water. Two grams of lemony goodness. $50 grams of confectioner's sugar. Mix it up. We set that aside. $175 grams of honey into our saucepan. $20 grams brown sugar is going to go in there. And let the record show that I did not open the bag like this. I'm going to bring this to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Honey brown sugar mixture, and that we're setting to the side. Marty the mixer. 62 grams of whole wheat flour, 62 grams of rye flour. Wheat flour, whole wheat flour, a rounded quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Quarter teaspoon of ground ginger. Smells amazing. Quarter teaspoon of whole anise seeds. 50 grams of milk, and 1 egg. Mix that all up. So we've got our egg mixture, our honey mixture, and our flour mixture. Let's mix them all up. This recipe calls for 2 tablespoons or about of candied orange peel. We don't have candied orange peel. We do have an orange, and I'm thinking of just using some zest from this orange. Since it's not candied, I don't think we need to use as much because it'll have a much more lemony, it'll have a much more orangey flavor. So we could just probably do like that much. About a half tablespoon. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. All right. You're gonna step over the dog. Ooh. Okay. We did it. We're good. So I have a bread pan, a loaf pan, whatever you call it, parchment paper. And I'm gonna put my cake mixture, my batter, my bread, whatever you want to call this, in there. I'm interested to see how this comes out. I really like rye, the taste of rye. The texture here seems a little strange, kind of gritty. This cake batter is supposed to be 3/4 full, and it is about 1/4 full. Just making an observation. And the honey here has made this batter very sticky. Okay, our oven's preheated to 350, and this is gonna go in for a tentative 20 minutes. I'd say 20 to 50 minutes. I think the recipe is for like very tiny little things that you're supposed to make, but, or, you know, like it says you can make it in a loaf pan, but the loaf pan, if you're filling this 3/4 of the way up, it's got to be a really small loaf pan. So we'll see what happens. Now we get to eat our orange. Are you guarding the stove? That's very good. Thank you, buddy. It's ready. It's ready. Ooh. That is very exciting. Except it's not ready. Got my cake, my bread, gingerbread. Put the glaze on there. Just like so. It's not very pretty. Should I cut it? I'm gonna try it. I don't know. I mean, it's not bad. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It has a weird texture. I don't know if I overmixed because it's a little too spongy. But the glaze is really shiny and pretty. So, you know, like that's happiness. I'm wondering if it would be better without the orange zest. Maybe that's like throwing me off. I don't think it's what I expected. You know, when I heard the name Gingerbread, I was expecting something more Christmassy. It kind of also looks like, you know, like
a loaf of boiled meat.
Would I make this again? I don't know. I honestly don't know. There you have it. Gingerbread. Maybe just not for me. Anyway, I did manage to eat the whole piece, so can't be that bad. We'll try again next time, and I'll see you then. Bye, buddy.